So 4 companies worth a total of $12 trillion reported earnings tonight. 3 stocks dropped. Here's what went down, literally. Alphabet, Microsoft, Meta, and Amazon, the 4 darlings of Silicon Valley, they all reported earnings tonight within 80 seconds of each other. It's like a national holiday for people who are monitoring the situation. 4 companies worth a combined $12 trillion. Every single one beat Wall Street's estimates, knocked it out of the park. Every single one said they're spending more on AI, shockingly. Only 1 stock went up. 3 went down. Every company did the thing that they were supposed to do. $600 billion in combined AI spending this year. And the market said, what's next? Here's the breakdown that you actually want. Google was the winner, and it wasn't even close. By a long shot, they beat on earnings, they beat on revenue. They raised AI infrastructure spending to $175 to $185 billion. Their stock jumped 6% after hours. Search is growing, cloud is growing, and this is the same company that just wrote a $40 billion check to Anthropic, the competitor whose product enterprise customers keep choosing over Google's own AI. Google is the healthiest big tech company and the one that's spending the most money on its direct competitor. The market rewarded that. Remember that. Is there a lesson there? Maybe. Microsoft looks great on paper, 4.27 earnings versus 4.06 expected. Revenue was up. Azure grew 40%. AI revenue hit $37 billion annually, up 123%. Best quarter our boy Satya Nadella could have asked for. The CFO said the CapEx will be $190 billion this year, which is up 61% from last year. $25 billion of that increase is just higher component prices, not more spending by choice. More spending because memory is in a global crunch and every chip company is literally charging whatever it wants. Microsoft also said that headcount will go down next year, more money on machines, fewer people to run them. Stock dropped 3%. Usually when you say that AI is driving layoffs, the stock likes that. Now Meta beat on revenue, stock fell 5%. Revenue growth next quarter is expected to stay flat. CapEx was raised again, so they're spending $125 to $145 billion now, up from a mere $115 to $135 billion last quarter. Now, this is the company that laid off 8,000 people last week, plus 1,000 in January, plus hundreds in March. Mark Zuckerberg is spending $145 billion on AI infrastructure. Who exactly is going to use all this infrastructure if you keep firing the people who build on it? Amazon was the one that nobody could read. It was kind of the wild card. Stock was down 3%. AWS is the number that everyone is watching. Jassy committed $200 billion in CapEx this year. The market wanted him to say that the returns are already showing up, but he didn't say that. So here's what's actually happened tonight. 4 of the biggest companies on earth beat estimates. They raised AI spending to a combined $600 billion. 3 stocks went down. The